I consider China one of the cradles of new technology in the whole world. And I think that's the way people should view China. And attending the fair or the expo is a great way to learn more about China. And I warmly recommend that to all Finnish companies and all European companies. People have slightly an outdated perception of China nowadays. We have lots of global industries in Finland, of course in telecommunications, software, games, healthcare, education, and there's lots that we can do with our Chinese partners. But also, of course, while Finland is a small market, there's lots of goods that Finnish companies can import from Chinese partners. So there's lots of opportunities, and I warmly recommend visiting the expo and taking advantage of the opportunity. Well, there are a few industries that have a very high market share in China, including, of course, the telecom sector, the elevator sector like Kone, a famous Finnish company in that sector. Also, Finnish education is well regarded in China for a good reason. We have lots of clean tech companies in the energy sector especially that are doing quite well in China already. Winter sports is for obvious reasons a business sector in Finland that is very good at what they do because Finland has the weather for it, and we have Finnish companies working with Chinese partners in that sector throughout China. So there's a number of sectors that Finland has a good opportunity to deepen the partnership with Chinese partners. Well, we have a very thriving startup scene in Finland. And we actually have been working very closely with China already in that field. As the most famous example is Supercell, with the Clash of Clans games and Heyday and so forth. That is actually owned by Tencent nowadays.
As the Finnish chairman of the Committee for Innovative Enterprises Cooperation, what kind of suggestions or what do you want to say to other members of the committee about the expo?
Well, the committee is all about finding good partners for Chinese companies in Finland and for Finnish companies in China. And of course the expo is one opportunity to exhibit our know-how, our products, our services, and have further meetings with our existing partners and find new partners. It's a good opportunity to deepen the relationship.
We have known that you have sent a letter to our Minister Zhongshan and show your support for the expo and also the confirmation of Nokia's participation in the expo. So we wonder that if you can share something more about Nokia's plan to be in the expo.
Well, first of all, I want to express my gratitude to Minister Zhongshan as well as the Chinese government overall. The partnership with Finland has been a very good one, and last year was a great year for the Chinese-Finnish relationship with President Xi visiting Finland in the spring. And I even personally had a chance to meet with Xi twice last year, which was a very, very rewarding experience. And overall, the relationship has long been an excellent one, and it seems to be getting even better. And obviously, the Chinese government has played a great role in developing the Chinese industry. And the expo is one more opportunity for the government to support its companies, the same way as the Finnish government tries to help Finnish companies to be successful globally. So good relationships between the governments, good relationships between the companies from each country. And of course, for Nokia, we feel that China is one of our core locations. We have almost 20,000 people in China, most of those in R&D. So we feel that we innovate in China, for China, and for the world. That's one of our internal slogans that we use in Nokia. So we'll be happily participating in the expo. So Import Expo, Finland is coming. Hui, Import Expo, Nokia is coming. Nokia, Laila.